Hi, my name is Tonia Kleinsmith with Coast Family Real Estate, and I want to welcome you today here at our virtual open house at 1055 CraigWay, located in the prestigious East Arroyo Grande. This luxurious Mediterranean estate offers over 4,700 square feet of living space. Let's go inside. There are 4 spacious bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, an office, and a bonus room with an ocean view with its own breakfast bar. 3 beautiful French doors from the great room lead to a private resort-like tropical landscape backyard, perfect for entertaining. The open chef's kitchen has granite and travertine counters with an island, breakfast bar, walk-in pantry, hardwood floors, built-in desk, formal and informal dining rooms. Enjoy a glass of wine while enjoying the panoramic coastal and distant ocean views from the private balcony of the second floor master suite. Inviting outdoor sitting areas include open and covered patios with views of the lush tropical palm trees, coral trees, and upper and lower lawns. Enjoy watching the stunning koi fish and the peaceful waterfall flowing into the koi pond. Additional features include a laundry room with an abundance of storage and travertine counters. This property even has solar. Oversized 4-car garage, almost 3 usable acres with plenty of room for RVs, horses, future tennis court or pool. Perfectly located just minutes to San Luis Obispo, the village of Arroyo Grande, Lopez Lake, acclaimed wineries, renowned golf courses, and the beautiful, pristine Pacific Ocean. Thank you for joining us today. For more information on this beautiful home, go to our website here and make sure you like us on Facebook, Coast Family Real Estate.